What is a computer? An electronic device that processes data according to a set of instructions. What is the primary function of the CPU? To execute instructions and perform calculations. What is RAM? Random access memory, a type of volatile memory used to store data temporarily. What is ROM? Read-only memory, a type of non-volatile memory that stores permanent instructions. What is the difference between hardware and software? Hardware is the physical components of a computer, while software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. What is Microsoft Office? A suite of software applications developed by Microsoft. What are the main components of Microsoft Office? Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. What is the function of Microsoft Word? Word processing, creating and editing documents. What is the function of Microsoft Excel? Spreadsheet software used for data analysis and calculations. What is the function of Microsoft PowerPoint? Presentation software used to create slideshows. What is the function of Microsoft Outlook? Email and calendar software. What is a formula in Excel? An expression that performs calculations on values in a worksheet. What is a function in Excel? A predefined formula that performs specific calculations. What is a chart in Excel? A visual representation of data. What is a slide in PowerPoint? A single page of a presentation. What is a template in PowerPoint? A pre-designed slide layout. What is a table in Word? A structured set of rows and columns used to organize data. What is a footnote in Word? A reference placed at the bottom of a page. What is a header in Word? Text that appears at the top of every page. What is a footer in Word? Text that appears at the bottom of every page. What is an operating system? Software that manages computer hardware and software resources. What is an internet browser? Software used to access and view web pages. What is a search engine? A tool used to find information on the internet. What is a computer virus? Malicious software that can harm a computer. What is a firewall? A security system that monitors network traffic. What is a pivot table in Excel? A tool used to summarize and analyze large datasets. What is a macro in Excel? A recorded sequence of actions that can be automated. What is a mail merge in Word? A feature that allows you to create personalized documents. What is a smart art graphic in PowerPoint? A pre-designed graphic that can be customized. What is a hyperlink in Word? A clickable link to another document or website.